this video, we will give an overhead view of your tasks and responsibilities. Keep in mind that if you have any questions regarding these responsibilities, you should ask your team lead at your store assignment. As a retail merchandiser, you will be using planograms to restock shelves at your grocery store assignment. A planogram is a visual plan to arrange store merchandise. Here is an example of a planogram. You will see measurements along the left side of the photo. This is how far apart the shelves should be. The measure should start at the top of the bottom shelf and end at the top of the next shelf up. Make sure to use your tape measure and have the exact measurement. Most times, the width of the shelving is 48 inches or 4 feet. Always make sure the planogram and your assigned shelves are correct. Let's move on to the products that will be stacked on the shelf. On the left side of the page, you will see the header, Product Information. Make sure you have all of the products you need in your shopping cart to be stocked. Next, we're going to stock the shelves. The list on the left-hand side of the planogram includes the product to be stocked, the position that the item will be placed, and the number of facings. The planogram's locations start at the bottom and move to the top, going from left to right. When referring to the product list on the right, the facings, or F, as it appears on the planogram, will note the number of a single product that needs to be placed at the front in a horizontal row. Make sure to accurately stock the number of products horizontally and vertically from front to back. Please keep in mind that you may learn more tasks along the way as you work in this position. If you have any questions when using a planogram or need any help, please consult your team lead or a fellow retail merchandising employee for assistance.